morning. Aina, can you say good morning?
Good morning.
It's currently 8:30 in the morning. So far, very productive
Mama.
day. I bought these sea animal figurines that I wanted to as a part of Aiden's Christmas gift, but they're a lot smaller than I thought. So and I ordered two for some reason. I think I'm just gonna give him the one I got that I was supposed to wrap it and give it to him as a Christmas gift. You wanna come up here? I'll show you. Hello, Aina. Can you come up here, please? Can you guess what's in here? It's one of the whales. Can you name one whale for me?
Where is Will?
What whale do you like?
Orca.
There you are. This is unboxing. Wow! Here's an orca.
Mommy orca. Yay, mom. Mommy orca.
Is that mommy orca? Where's the baby orca? We have a smaller one. Which one's mommy orca? This is mommy orca?
No.
This is the mommy orca? You have the mommy orca. Wow. Hi, I'm mommy orca. Okay, where's the baby orca?
Here.
Wow. Okay, and what whale do you like next?
Beluga whale.
Beluga? We got beluga! What's his name?
Mommy beluga.
Mommy beluga.
Baby beluga.
Yeah.
Next.
Next, okay, what whale do you like next?
Blue whale.
Blue whale?
Yeah.
I don't think I have it. Is this a blue whale? Yeah. Wow. Done. Got the blue whale.
Next.
Okay, what do you like next? Which whale do you like?
Bucket shark.
I don't have shark. It's all whales in here. Do you like humpback whale?
Yeah.
Alright. Open a humpback whale. Here you are. Let's show them. Is this humpback whale? Why does it have stripes? It's a humpback whale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
Do you like sperm whale?
Yeah.
You do? Here's a sperm whale.
Oh, it's bird whale.
Yeah, we have a sperm whale. Oh, I scratched myself. Look at the sperm whale. Hello.
Look.
What whale has a big tooth?
Surf.
No, a whale. A whale with big tooth, like this. Like this. What whale has that?
What's that?
Like a big tooth, like a horn, like this. What whale has that? Here, I'll draw it for you. Papa, this is the whale we're gonna find. What whale?
A bird whale.
What whale looks like this?
No.
Yeah, that's right. Nawara, yep.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's no.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yeah, no more.
I think that was very successful. Alright, so a few things happened. Let's talk about our car once again. So within a month and a half maybe, our Jeep Wrangler broke down twice. Both of the times were pretty dangerous because it was during the drive. One of them was going uphill and the other one was middle of a highway. And on top of that, Aiden was in the car with us. So it's been pretty dangerous and we've been just kind of trying to figure out what was the best route. We are getting a new car. We test drove a Tesla Model Y this morning. Not gonna lie, I was not a fan of Tesla, nor was I excited to switch over to Tesla, but Tong's been just kind of saying, you know, it just kind of like for the price, it's amazing and blah 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 blah, you know. And yeah, we test drove. It didn't take long at all. Honestly, I think the moment I got in the car, it sold me because the technology was insane. I'm sold. I immediately fell in love with the car and how comfortable it was, how quick and smart it was. We encountered a little problem because right before we left, we were just like talking about getting pets for Aiden, and we were talking about like getting like a turtle or like whatever, right? We mentioned FISH, and then he got so excited thinking that like we're gonna go see it, and we're like, and I didn't think that he was so like, I didn't think that he was thinking so much of it. We were putting our shoes on and jacket, and he was like, oh my god, let's go see, like, yes, you know. And then I was like, uh-oh. And then we get in the car, he starts screaming like, yay, I'm so excited. See, like right now, like, I'm so excited to see fish, whatever. I'm like, no, oh no, because we're not going to see anything. We're gonna go see it, get our car and go to IKEA. So but he seems pretty upset about it, that I think he was really looking forward to it. I'm only like so used to like Amen, like, hey Amen, like, come in, I'll give you a treat, and then he kind of forgets about it and he doesn't really do anything. I'm like stuck there. I know, it's okay. So anyways, I'm in trouble. Aiden, it's okay. 좀만 기다려. Just wait a little bit, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah, he says that, but he's gonna start crying. We're finally in the car. This white interior, so crazy. I never thought I would get a white interior car because growing up under an Asian parent, they would say white is like the most impractical color to own because it gets dirty fast and all that, but here we are. The most impressive part about this car is this little screen. Look at him. Up until we played that, he was just sort of kind of crying about fishes, and we really wanted to, well, we thought like we were gonna go to like PetSmart or something, but he's pretty occupied, and I think we're gonna just head over to IKEA. What you doing?
Mama.
Wow.
Papa, where are you?
Where are you, 아빠? 아빠 여기 있다.
Run away.
아나 범법이 어떤 주세요.
No, mine, Papa.
Anna, it's Bumblebee all done. Anna, we're not buying that today. Bumblebee, can you put it back in there? All done.
Hold on.
Yeah, thank you. 아니야, all done이야. 가자. Let's go. Alright, this is our first experience of no touch automatic drive.
This is insane.
I think this is better than flying car, don't you think?
Flying car?
Yeah, because you know people thought by 2020 there will be cars flying.
Yeah.
How smart do you have to be? Yay!
가보자.
네.
엄마.
맛있겠다. 스테이크.
Chocolate.
Hmm?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
You want to try the chocolate? Is that chocolate?
It's a film.
It's not chocolate.
It's a
Steak sauce.
Spicy. Bulky.
Oh no 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 no!
Yeah.
No no!
Mommy, please. Blah.
Ah.